I'm going to be showing you two methods to do the factory reset. I'm going to be showing you how to do it through the settings, and also I'll be showing you how to do it with the buttons with the phone powered off. So in case you have a password or your phone is not booting up correctly, you'll be able to reset it and start using your phone normally again. So first off, let's go and do it through the settings. Let's go ahead and find settings. So once you're here in settings, you're going to scroll down to general management. Once you're in here, you're going to see a tab labeled reset. So you're going to select that. And then here we're going to see factory data reset. That's the option that we're going to go into. So here it's just letting you know that everything on the device is going to be erased. So make sure you back up anything that you want to keep, because this will erase everything. Once you're ready, go ahead and hit reset. And then once you hit delete all, the reset process will begin. Let's go ahead and do the hard reset method now. So let's power the phone off. So once your phone is completely powered off, what we're going to do is we're going to hold the volume up button and the Bixby button and the power button, all three of them at the same time. So continue to hold them until the Android recovery screen comes up. Once you see the Android, let go of all three buttons. So the Android recovery is going to come up, as you can see up here. Here we're going to scroll down with the volume button to wipe data, factory reset. There we go. Go ahead and hit the power button. And then here we're going to scroll down to yes. And then go ahead and confirm with the power button. Once you do that, the reset process will begin. Let's go ahead and do it. It's going to say data wipe complete down here when it's done. There we go. That means that the phone was cleared out. Everything was erased. So now we can go ahead and hit the power button to reboot the phone. So let's give it a couple seconds so that it can reboot. And there we go. As we can see, the phone has rebooted and it has reset itself back to its factory condition. So here all we have to do is go through the initial setup of the phone to get the phone set up and start using it again. Alright everyone, so that was just a quick video on how to factory reset your Samsung Galaxy S9.